Welcome class 10th students. Today's our topic is nature, position and size of image formed by concave mirror. This is very important question which is useful for numericals as well. So in previous lecture we had studied about this is concave mirror, many conditions. Once again I will revise it. P, this is F, this is C. When object at infinite, you better know image will form at focus. Today I will show how image will form by you applying 4 out of 4 any 2 rules we can apply and we can get the answer. Nature, position and size, 3 points. Every diagram should be discussed on nature, position and size. So image will form at F, this is the position. Size, its size is pointy and its nature is real and inverted. When object beyond C, you better know image will form between C and F. Smaller size, see there, smaller size between C and F, this is position. Real and inverted, this is the nature. When object at C, image will be at C, same size, real and inverted at C. When object between C and F, object is moving towards mirror, image will form beyond C, larger size, see there, larger size. What a position beyond C, this is the position. And what are the nature? Nature is real and inverted. When object at F, image will form at infinite, highly enlarged, at infinite, nature, size, and its nature is real and inverted. At last, when object kept between P and F, image will form behind the mirror, erect, this is the nature. Behind the mirror, this is the position, and size, it is a enlarged size. Okay, are you getting? So this is the summary of today's lecture, nature, position and size. So we will do one by one. So first, when object at infinite, see there, this is the concave mirror, P, F, C, light is coming from infinite. You better know parallel light will come from infinite. Incident ray, you better know if light is parallel will passes through focus. Another light is coming from infinite. This is light coming from infinite. Object as infinite, that is given. It again passes through focus. 2 reflecting rays are meeting at F. You better know. You should know that when 2 reflecting rays gets meet, they will form the image. So 2 reflecting rays are meeting at F. So we will get image at F. So what is our answer? Image will form at F. This is the position. Image will form at F. Pointy size. And what a nature? No doubt it really meeting. So it will be real and inverted. Light is coming from infinite. Parallel passes through focus. Parallel passes through focus. Both reflecting rays are meeting at F. So no doubt image will form at F. It is a pointy size, highly diminished. And what a nature? Real and inverted. No doubt they are really meeting. So if it is real, no doubt it will be inverted. Already taught. Okay. So this is the first point. Second, object is beyond C. Beyond C. When object kept beyond C. So see there. When object kept beyond C. This is concave mirror. P, F, C, object kept beyond C. Incident ray, you will do as like this, as I am doing here. Incident ray, no doubt, parallel rays always passes through focus, you better know, passing through focus. Light rays incident at pole, although they are meeting, but it will not form the image because this is the incident ray, and image will form only if where reflecting rays are meeting. Okay. So incident ray at pole, no doubt reflected by same angle. Reflecting rays are meeting here, so they will form the image. Image will form here, no doubt. See their size is smaller. So what is the position between C and F? Image will form between C and F. You can see there, smaller size, no doubt. Real and inverted. Are you getting the point? When object kept beyond C, image will form between C and F. smaller size, real and inverted. Smaller means in compared to object. So this is the case number 2. That was the object at infinite. Here we kept the object beyond C, and if beyond C, image will form between and C and F, smaller size, real and inverted. Next point we will do next. When object little move, it will go at C. So no doubt, this is the concave mirror P, F, C. When object kept at C, what happened? Incident ray parallel, first rule, passes through focus. Second, it turns parallel, and we will get image here. We are getting image. You can see there. Image. We are getting image at C. So image will form at C. Incident ray passes through focus. Turns parallel. Reflecting rays are meeting here. So no doubt it will form the image. So image will form at C. Same size. Very easy. Same size, and no doubt real and inverted. Are you getting? Object is at C, image will form at C, same size, real and inverted. Next point. Next, when object little move towards that side, it means object become between C and F. So fourth condition, object is between C and F. Object is kept between C and F. What we get here? P, F, C. According to question, object is kept between C and F. You can see there, we kept the object between C and F. I will start from here. Incident ray. You better know. Incident ray is parallel. It will passes through focus. If light rays strike at pole, reflected by same angle, this is the C. We are getting image here. You can see there. Where image will form? Image will form beyond C. You can see there. It is formed beyond C. Larger size, no doubt, real and inverted. Are you getting the point? When object kept between C and F, image will form beyond C. Larger size, real and inverted. Incident ray passes through focus at pole, reflected by same angle, and image, they are meeting. Reflecting rays are meeting here. No doubt where they meet, they will form image. So image will form beyond C, larger size, real and inverted. Next point, fifth condition. When object at F, you have to first trace the concave mirror. This is P, this is F, this is C. Object at F. According to question, we will start. Incident ray passes through focus. Incident ray, no doubt, if incident ray is parallel, passes through focus. Light at F, P, reflected by same. Okay, no doubt. Two parallel rays are moving out. It means they will meet at infinite. We think that they meet at infinite, highly enlarged. So image will form at infinite, highly enlarged, or no doubt real and inverted. Sometime in that case, if you put your eye here, you will get image backside in very rare cases. But according to this, if object at infinite, image will form at at infinite, highly large, it will be out of screen, and no doubt real and inverted when object kept at F. Nature, position and size according to your question. Okay, last one. When object kept between P and F, this is sixth condition. Object is between P and F. So first we will create the question. This is your concave mirror. This is P, this is F, this is C. Object kept between P and F. We will apply any two rules. Incident ray, you can see incident ray. If it is parallel, you better know, passes through focus. See there, it is passing through focus. If light rays strike at P, reflected by same angle, and if we recede them, they will meet here. We are getting image. So where image will form? First, what are the position behind mirror? Behind the mirror, a dotted line. It should be dotted line. Keep in mind. Dotted means erect and virtual. Behind mirror, what are the size? Larger size. Behind the mirror, larger size, and nature erect and virtual. We can see there in concave mirror both type of image form, real and inverted, as well as erect and virtual. But only in one case, where object kept between P and F, image will form behind the mirror, larger size, erect and virtual. Okay, so this is all about your nature, position and size of image formed by concave mirror. Okay, that's all for today.